Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix YouTube Studio of something went wrong retry problem in YouTube application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in YouTube application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search YouTube app. Update your YouTube app latest version. Step 3. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. You can follow all 4 steps to fix YouTube Studio of something went wrong retry problem in YouTube application. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.